Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to enable YouTube in Google Workspace. This is particularly useful if you're managing a team or educational environment where you need to control access to YouTube services across your organization. First, open your web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. This is your Google Workspace admin console, the central hub where you'll manage all services and permissions for your users. Once the page loads, sign in using your Google Workspace administrator account. Make sure you're using an admin account, as regular user accounts won't have access to these settings. After signing in, you'll see the admin console dashboard. Look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Apps. This section controls all the Google services available to your organization. From there, select Additional Google Services. If you don't immediately see this option, you might need to click More Controls or expand the menu to reveal it. This is where YouTube lives within the Google Workspace ecosystem. Now scroll through the list of services or use the search function to locate YouTube. Once you've found it, you'll need to decide on your target scope. This means choosing whether to enable YouTube for your entire organization or just for specific organizational units. If you have different departments or teams with varying needs, selecting a specific OU gives you more granular control. Click on YouTube to open its service settings. Here's where you'll configure the actual permissions. You'll see options to set allowed content types, apply restrictions, and decide whether to enable restricted mode for your users. Restricted mode helps filter out potentially mature content, which can be important in educational or professional settings. Take a moment to review these options carefully, as they'll determine how your users interact with YouTube. If you're working with organizational units, you'll be prompted to choose which specific OUs you want these settings to apply to. Select the appropriate units and confirm your selection. This ensures the right groups have the access they need. Finally, click Save to apply your YouTube settings across the selected users. The changes should take effect within a few minutes, though in some cases it might take up to 24 hours to propagate fully across your organization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.